This chilled melon soup is a lovely and fresh dish that makes for the perfect starter. I'm using cantaloupes for this soup, but you can use any sweet melon you like. Honeydew or watermelon would be great in this. We'll start by making melon balls. About 3 per person should be enough. The rest of the melon will become the soup. Next, heat up some oil in a pan. Add 2 fresh chili peppers that have been sliced and seeded. Give them about 4 minutes before slowly adding some white wine. Bring all of this to a boil. This is a light white wine, by the way. Now you're going to puree this into a soup. Put a bit of lemon juice into the blender, then add the rest of the ingredients. Blend this into a fairly smooth soup. How chunky you leave it depends on your taste. And that's your soup. Now let's garnish this up a bit. We're going to add the melon balls, some cheese. This is the cheese I always make, by the way. Look here for the recipe. And some roasted pumpkin seeds for crunch. On to the wine. We're pairing this with 2 vibrant Pinot Blancs. This grape is related to Pinot Noir, but it's not as finicky. Unlike Pinot Noir, it produces a good amount of berries with ease. But it's a white grape, so it grows best in colder wine regions. That's why both of the wines we're having are from the Willamette Valley. This wine region is near the coast and can get frosty, but grapes like Pinot Blanc thrive here. You can also find this grape in other cool wine regions like Alsace in northern France and Alto Adige in northern Italy. The first Pinot Blanc is from Elk Cove, made from hand-harvested fruit from their hillside vineyards, which is refreshing and crisp. It's got pronounced green apple, citrus, and melon flavor, which is perfect for pairing with a melon soup. And the other is the 2019 Mesara Pinot Blanc, which has a subtle floral and almost honeysuckle flavor. It also has bright acidity. You might even notice some apricot flavor in this one.
Oh yeah.
That's very light.
This one's much fruitier.